Hello everyone, in this video we are going to review Norse Organics, and we will find by the end of this video that whether this is a legit or another scam website. Right, so Norse Organic, if you don't know, a skincare brand that recently entered the US market and have generated mixed review regarding its legitimacy and product effectiveness. So let's talk about the product popularity, right? So you can just go to the product section and you will find all the products which is listed on the Organic Norse here, and the brand flagship product kill acne and redness ritual, right? So as you can see here, this is the most popular product given by this website and has reportedly sold out multiple times since it launched in early 2024, indicating strong demand. Over 1 lakh unit has been sold. That is really nice. But after a word to word mouth recommendation and without significant marketing efforts, dermatologists have begun to recommend their product as well. The second thing is product composition. Norse Organic claim to use wild harvested plant from the Norway, emphasizing their formulation contain no waters, which they argue that enhance the product effectiveness compared to the traditional skincare product. Now let's talk about the review and consumer feedback. So if you just go to any of the website or any of the product of this website, you will find this review of this product, right? So here, despite this initial success, several reviews raises concern about this brand credibility. Video analyzing that brand suggests that the website appears unprofessional with a lot of low trust scores on the platform, like Scam Advisor, which rated it 49 out of 100. So that is really bad. And negative user experience. Some users have reported disappointing results, claiming that the product did not work as advertised and that the formulations were overly reliant on essential oils, leading to adverse skin reaction. So in a conclusion, while Norse Organic has seen significant sales and claims to provide effectiveness skincare solution, potential customers should exercise caution. Just the mixed review, lack of transparency, and concern about the product effectiveness suggest that while the brand is operational, it may not meet the exceptions or expectations of all the users. Individual considering their product should weigh down the factors and possibly consult with dermatological professionals before making this purchase. So it's completely up to a customer requirement, and they can just do whatever they want. But I hope you found all this information what you needed from this video. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe our channel.